In this demo, we are going to show how to use one of the classification tools that are part of the artist classification toolbox. In this particular case, we are going to classify a platform-independent model that is describing an existing user interface. That is a component of the existing application that was created previously by using the model discovery toolbox. This model describes the main elements that contribute into the user interface, which has been annotated by using stereotypes that are described in a platform-independent profile for a graphical user interface. This graphical user interface can be classified thanks to the similarities between the different frameworks that are used to create user interfaces, like for instance the Swing or the Eclipse SWT frameworks, which are mappable to the Google Web Toolkit that provides a framework to create web-based user interfaces which are cloud compatible. So thanks to these similarities, we can define mappings encoded as model-to-model transformations that maps the desktop-based standalone graphical user interfaces into web-based based on the Google Web Toolkit graphical user framework as well. So in order to do that, we had to select in the package explorer, in the content explorer, we had to select the model from which we want to start. In this case, this is the user interface. This is the platform-independent model of the user interface. So by selecting on this model and going to the classification toolbox, we can select one of the existing tools to clarify user interface. Here we can clarify to GWT. So when doing this, provided the model is relatively small, it takes a few time to create this model. In this model, we have pretty much the same model, but while in this model we don't have any platform-specific information, everything is platform-independent. On the contrary, in this model, we start by injecting the Google Web Toolkit framework, and on the different elements of the user interface, for instance, at the perspective level, in the layout level, we are suggesting how to specialize these components with the elements of the Google Web Toolkit. Here we have the same for the objects, or for instance for the views, for the panels, we suggest the use of flow panel from GWT. For other components in the user interface, we are suggesting to use Google toggle buttons and so on. So this tool, what I'm actually doing is to apply these mappings. These mappings can be modified in a platform domain model in order to provide more accurate and more precise mappings between the different frameworks. Different tools can be provided out of this one by extending this information in order to obtain profile-specific models out of other kind of graphical user interfaces. That's conclude this demo.